Hey everyone, it's Aditya here. And as I mentioned in my previous post that from now onwards I'm gonna post you the premium paid courses to you so that you can start your learning at your own pace and learn it accordingly. But as many of us are beginners, so I thought first let me introduce some online premium course providers to you so that you can have a little bit of knowledge about them. Then after I can show you how you can get a premium course for free of cost by following me in the video. So first of all, let's have a look at some of the online premium course providers. Number one is Udemy. These are not the worldwide ranking of these sites, I just arranged them randomly. So first I will show you what is Udemy. As you can see, this is the homepage of the Udemy site. Here you can see that they have a lots of courses. I think maybe they have 1000 plus courses in almost all the technology or skills that you want to acquire. You can learn anything that you want here at Udemy by paying just some amount of dollars. As you can see, this amount is in rupees, but in dollars it may cost you around $4 to $5 maybe approx, or maybe six. So that's the first site. After Udemy, we have number two site, that is Coursera. So the Coursera is different from Udemy as it is, you can say, one level up from Udemy. As on at Udemy, people are providing course who are working professionals or have a much amount of experience to them. But at Coursera, the courses are provided by the worldwide universities. As you can see in the images, there are many lots of universities, University of Virginia, University of Michigan, and also some big companies like Google and IBM also provide their courses as Coursera. But as the quality of the course increase, same as the amount. So Udemy cost you around $5 to $10 approx, but at Coursera you need to pay around $250 to $300 per month fees till you complete your Coursera course, and then you will receive a certificate from that particular university from which you have completed your course. But I will tell you how you can get the free certificate from Coursera too, and all the course material also, without paying nothing to Coursera. So this is the homepage of Coursera. As you can see, they have 190 plus leading universities and companies including Duke University, Google, IBM, and some top colleges like Stanford and Penn University. I have also completed some course from Coursera. They provide a much high quality course, and these courses provide you a lot of knowledge with practical stuff. You can earn really a good skill at Coursera. And in future lecture, I will show you how you can enroll in a course at Coursera for free. So after Coursera, we have number third, that is edX. So edX is just same as Coursera. There at edX also there are various universities of the worldwide universities that come and provide their courses at cheaper level than they offer at their universities. So this is the homepage of edX. Now you can see here MIT, Harvard, Berkeley, Texas, and Boston University, and some much more universities that provide courses to the students of worldwide, but they charge a lot of money. You can say around, I think, for $100 approx for certificates. But most of the courses are free at edX. If you don't want to get a certificate, then you can get almost any course at edX for free of cost. But if you want a certification that you have successfully completed this course from that particular university, then you have to pay them for $100 to $250. This amount may varies from course to course, and you can see here that you can learn any skill you want: data science, language, computer science, business management, engineering, humanities, and many more courses are available at edX. After edX, we have number four at Udacity. Udacity, you can say that it is the much higher level from the previous one that I showed you in both the quality and the, you can say, amount it charged. This is the homepage of Udacity. As you can see, they also provide lot of feature other than just the quality content. Like they will provide you one-on-one mentor in which you can call to your mentor and they will provide you approx 2 to 3 meetings with your mentor. who will review your profile like LinkedIn profile or GitHub profile and will teach you from his experience, and they will also provide you real life projects, and they you can say that all the skills that a person needs to become job ready will be provided by Udacity. They have a lots of program, as you can see, data analyst, data engineer, data scientist, and in AI programming they have a lots of program. But what good thing about Udacity is that they also have some free programs in which you can enroll for free and learn without paying anything. So there are many courses at Udacity available, and but the main thing about Udacity is that they will provide you much more facilities than the other course sites provide. Now, let's move on to course that we gonna buy today. I mean, we gonna get it for free. So this is the course that we gonna buy, or you can say for to get it free today. And this is the Python programming for beginners in data science. As you can see, it has a 4.3-star rating with 67,000 plus students are enrolled in this. And I also see the reviews of the students, and they say that it is good for beginners, recommended for beginners. So that's why I chose this course, and I can also see the syllabus of this course. He is the person who is teaching you in the course will take you from the very basic of Python to the NumPy library, which is the starting of the basic data science, or you can say data analysis. So that's why I chose this course. But as you can see that this course is available for 420 rupees. You may convert it in your own currency, and it is only available for 11 hours, and after 11 hours it may goes to its original price, that is 3,200 rupees. As many of us are beginners, so that's why I just started with this course. So what I want from you is it has a 14 hours on demand video, means the course consists of 14 hours long videos, and total it consists of 13 hours 54 minutes. So what I want from you is that just complete this course in approx 10 days so that we can start with the data science basic, and after that we will work on real world projects. That's what I want from you. So to enroll this in this course for free, what you have to do is click here at apply coupon, and then I will provide you a coupon which you can may see at the screen here. I will set it, or you can get it from this description below and just paste the coupon. This is the coupon code you may see here. If you want to copy it, then please just type it after looking at the screen, and I will select apply and just wait, and you can see coupon is applied and the course price changed to free for 2 days. So it means that the coupon is valid for 2 days. If you watch this video within 2 days after I upload it, then you will get this course for free. Otherwise you will have to pay for it. So what I want from you is I will upload it as soon as I edit it, maybe after 3 to 4 hours. And what I want from you is that please enroll in this course and complete it. And whenever you face any problem, then just ask me any question in which you will facing problem. I am always there to help you in the group. So after I have applied the coupon, let's add it to cart. And now it has been added to my cart. Now I have to sign up or maybe login if you already have account. Now it's showing me that it's totally free and it has been added to my cart. Now what I have to do is just check out. And for checkout, I have to create a new account. If you don't have, please create the new account. And you already have, you can log in here. As I already have, I may log in here, but I will show you after I log in. Now I have logged in into my account, and this is the course detail that I have added into my cart, and you can see it's showing me total equal to 0 rupees. Now I will just select enroll now, and it's loading there. And there you go. Great choice, Aditya. As you can see, this is my name. And they say one great thing about Udemy is that they provide you 30-day money back guarantee. So that if you pay for any course and in between learning, maybe after 10 to 15 days, you didn't like the course or you don't understand what it is saying, then you may also refund the course and you will get your whole refund. But we will just study without paying anything. We will study for free, guys. So as you can see that I am enrolled in this course in your live video. Now I will just start the course. And here you can see they will ask you some question to improve their recommendation and something like that. Just skip it. And from there you can see that you can play videos at any speed whatever you like. From there you can change the speed of the course.
Welcome.
This is the course that started. We will first talk you about some basics of the Python and we'll just start it from the very beginners, so you don't need to worry about anything. And after completing the whole course you will have a great understanding and intuition that how Python works and how these all the libraries and object and data structures in Python containing list dictionaries, as I mentioned in my video tutorial, these all are taught by this guy, and I hope that you will enjoy this course. If you have any problem then just ask me. I am always ready to help you. So guys, just enroll in this course and start your learning. Till then, enjoy Python.